Okay, got this cleaned up for you. The carburetor cleaned up and all the old gasoline cleaned out of there. Cleaned off the wheels, aired them up, and removed the gas. The old gas that was in there was like turpentine. Air cleaner is okay. It's pretty new and pretty clean. Adjusted the carburetor linkage a little bit. Mixture screws and idle adjustment in there, and basically gave it a good once over cleanup. So it's looking really good. And when you go to start this thing, it's cold now. It has not been run since yesterday. Okay, I'm putting my hand on it. It's very, very cold. Okay, and so I'll show you what to do on a cold start if you haven't started it for a while. The choke here, I would put it in the choke position, pull it a couple times, okay, with the switch off, like it's off right now, right there you can see. All right, pull it a couple times with it off, and then choke off, switch on, and then pull it till it starts. And if it's just barely trying to start, put the choke back on, pull it until it starts or wants to start. Then as it's warming up and starting, you can go ahead and put the choke back to the off position, okay, and leave it there for normal operation. But I'll demonstrate that right now. So we'll choke on, leave that in the off position. Pull it a couple times. Choke off.